Welcome back. Today we are calculating 105 to the fourth power minus 95 to the fourth power without reaching for a calculator. Multiplying 105 or 95 out to the fourth power by hand would take forever and lead to huge arithmetic errors. Instead, let's use the difference of squares identity to crack this open step by step. The secret to solving this quickly lies in the difference of squares formula. A squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. Since fourth powers are just squared terms squared, a to the fourth minus b to the fourth factors into a squared minus b squared times a squared plus b squared. Let's substitute a equals 105 and b equals 95 into this identity. Step 1. Express 105 to the fourth power minus 95 to the fourth power in factored form. 105 squared minus 95 squared times 105 squared plus 95 squared. Notice that the first factor, 105 squared minus 95 squared, is itself a difference of squares. That means we can factor it even further down into 105 minus 95 times 105 plus 95. Step 2. Expanding our expression completely gives us three factors to calculate. 105 minus 95 times 105 plus 95 times 105 squared plus 95 squared. The first factor is simple. 105 minus 95 equals 10. The second factor is equally easy. 105 plus 95 equals 200. Now our expression is 10 times 200 times the total of 105 squared plus 95 squared. Step 3. Multiply 10 by 200 to simplify the front coefficients. 10 times 200 equals 2000. Now we just need to evaluate 2000 times the total of 105 squared plus 95 squared. Step 4. Now let's calculate 105 squared plus 95 squared without doing tedious long multiplication. Rewrite 105 as 100 plus 5 and 95 as 100 minus 5. Using the binomial expansion, a plus b squared plus a minus b squared equals 2a squared plus 2b squared, the middle cross terms cancel out completely. This leaves 2 times 100 squared plus 2 times 5 squared equals 2 times 10,000 plus 2 times 25 equals 20,000 plus 50, which comes down to 20,050. Step 5. Put it all together by multiplying 2,000 by 20,050. Use the zero counting trick. Multiply 2 by 20,050, which gives you 40,100. Then append the three zeros from 2,000 to get 40,100,000. So 105 to the fourth power minus 95 to the fourth power equals 40,100,000.